Hi everyone, I'm Daniel, the product manager from Jodoo. Jodoo is your one-stop solution to build your company's internal apps without coding. You can use forms and automations to streamline workflows. Use online databases to store and manage data and visualize data without dashboards. You can get started completely for free. Let me show you how to do that. Imagine Jodoo as your go-to online databases, and of course you have the usual suspect like grids, Kanban, gallery, and Gantt charts. Also, you can submit the data without forms. But Jodoo goes beyond that. In Jodoo, you can create customized data views tailored to different permission sets. This means people with different access permissions will see not only different data, but also distinct columns and views. Now, let's talk about the automations. While you're in one table, say project, and you can set up the automations to automate the actions in project or even another like task table. So we have several tasks in our sending emails project, and we can see each task status in our subform. Let's say I have completed the schedule series task and I update the task status. The task status in the project table can be synchronized with the status I just updated in the task table. This is achieved by our automations. As you can see, the trigger and the actions and the trigger conditions and the field mapping. So we have prepared everything you need in the modern workflow automations. And that's not all. Have you noticed that there's a red notification on the upper left? This is where you can handle all the tasks related to this marketing project app. So to elaborate on how it works, let's step into the workflow builder. You can set up a complex and automated approval workflow in a single form. You can set approvers in each text node and assign different fields permission to the nodes. In this way, different task approvers can see and add different data when handling the task. For example, the content approval workflow deals with the any task related to the content. Here, assuming I have written the website copy and need my manager to approve it, I just need to fill out all of the required information and submit it. Once the task is submitted, the approver will receive the task notification in the task center you just saw. The approver can give the comments to the content and can sign to approve. If the content needs some revisions, just click return, then the task owner will receive the notification in the task center. If the approval workflow is getting more complex as time goes by, say each type of content has different corresponding approvers, you can simply drag and drop to add the nodes and workflow conditions to the workflow. So our workflow form shows how Jodoo integrates forms, workflows, databases, and automation into one seamless experience. And of course, we can't forget the dashboard. With Jodoo, you've got 10 types of charts and many components including pivot tables, text, embeds, and banners and shortcuts. You can retrieve data from different tables or even different apps to create the chart. You can embed mirror boards, Google Docs, YouTube videos, and more. You can set up data alert and drill down the data, which can hardly be seen on other no-code platforms. Our dashboard was inspired by the element from traditional business intelligence tools like Tableau, and we make these powerful tools accessible on Jodoo. So if you are already in the loop with tools like Notion and Airtable, Jodoo brings a fresh perspective to data management and workflow automation. It's all about maximizing your capabilities and taking your workflow to the next level. So I hope that's a helpful demo. I would love to get your feedback and what kind of features you'd like to see. We have guides that have really detailed instructions about how to get this different feature to work in our help center. And you can always reach out to our customer support, and we'd love to get your feedback. We'd love to hear what kind of features you would like to see and what kind of things you are building. Thank you very much.